can a busy physician implement in reasonable time? Because up to this point, I had taught people how to do what I had been doing, which was basically buying property, rehabbing it, putting a tenant in there, refinancing it, and then doing it again. And if that was actually a way to generate meaningful income. But I said, that takes about 3 to 5 years. How can we almost collapse time and help a busy physician set up this kind of, rainy day fund, if you may, from real estate, even without having a ton to put down? And this thought took me back to a model that I had seen back in 2016. I heard about it from a gentleman that had been talking a lot about multifamily in the real estate space, and all of a sudden he kind of switched and started talking about this model, and it's called rental arbitrage. This is the idea that you can take someone else's property, rent it, furnish it, and then put it on the short-term rental platforms like Airbnb or VRBO or HomeAway, or like all these other sites where you can rent it for 1 day at a time, 2 days at a time, maybe a week, maybe even a month, but it's a furnished property.